Hello, Lucy Berry here from my home in Bern, Switzerland. In this video, I want to share with you the idea behind the 80-20 rule, the law of the vital few. The idea of the 80-20 rule came from an Italian economist. He was studying the pattern of the world at that time. This was in 1906. He found out that just little amount of the population was controlling the world. That is to say, 80% of the world was controlled just by 20% of the population. So this rule has been reinterpreted today and applied into business management and other disciplines, and has worked. Richard Koch, the author of the 80-20 principle, also wrote the book, The 80-20 Manager, 10 Ways to Become a Great Leader. You see, this book is not just written for the corporate managers to leverage. You, as a home-based business owner, you can make very good use of the rules written in the book. It will help you simplify how you do your business. This makes you a leader. So it says 10 ways to become a great leader. And one of the ways is what I'm going to cover today. The investigating manager. So how can you make use of this? If you happen to be someone who is working really hard and your work is controlling your life, then it's time for you to sit back and think, how can you simplify your work and your life? To do this, you need to investigate. You need to ask questions. You can ask questions such as, what are the works you are doing that takes the most of your time and hold you back? You see, principle matters because there are things that count and there are things that don't count. There are things that are most important to your business and there are things that are less important or even not important. It is not about working hard that counts. It's about working smart. This brings the most profit. Take time to investigate your activity to find out what is it that you are doing that takes the most time and how can you deal with it, and decide on things that really matters, things that are more important to your success. Once you have identified those little things that really matters, it will give you more power to work less for more results. This is the power of the 80-20 rule. Thank you for watching. Look out for my next video as I will be sharing with you another rewarding way to become a great leader. Bye-bye.